Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today I have two super cool accessories for the DJI Neo 2 and the Avata 2 because these drones are super cool, but sometimes they can look a little dull in this gray color. And in fact we have RGB bumpers for these drones from a company called VIFLY. You may remember this company because last year I reviewed a super cool accessory for the Avata 2. It was a headlight that allowed you to fly at night. It made a ton of light and it was super cool. Today we are a little bit more aesthetic. Let's unbox the Avata 2 first. You got the ducts connected by a wire, some plastic parts you have to stick, and the manuals. The Neo2Halo, on the other hand, comes with the main unit, the bumpers, and the instructions. And here they are. They also make them for the original DJI Neo. The ones for the DJI Neo 2 are 37 grams. The ones for the DJI Avata 2 are 68. There is also quite a difference in quality between these two, because the Avata 2 ones are made of this injection molded, soft kind of material that is a lot more premium than this 3D printed material of the Neo ones. Look at this, it was made by a 3D printer. To install them it's super easy. The USB-C is the side up and you have to put the wires where the camera is, like this. First hook this part, then just slot it all around it. One side is done and the other side is done as well. And now you have this cable dangling. Luckily they give you the cable holder. Just attach the 3M tape and boom, the cable is routed. Time for the DJI Neo. It goes in like this, and actually this part attaches to the digital transceiver at the back, so I will have to install it. Just slot this part in and it's installed. Both products charge through USB-C and they have around 50-60 minutes of working time once they are fully charged. The Avata one only has one button. You long press it and it turns on. Boom. The white strip indicates how much battery you have left and then it starts into color mode. If you quick press, it changes color and it cycles between red, green, blue, yellow, purple, blue, light blue, and it should be white, and then it cycles again. If you double press, it changes mode. So now you have this kind of fading effect, and again you can cycle through all the colors. Press twice and you have another effect. Boom. This is super cool. Press twice again and you have this only one direction one. Then you have this kind of rainbow mode. Press twice again. Even better. Solid color. And we are back at flashing. Long press to turn it off. The DJI Neo 1 has two buttons. This one is for turning it on. Long press. And you have it on. Not only you have the side LEDs, but here you also have a bottom light, which is super bright as you can see from the camera, and this helps the drone find the ground. This button works the same as the Avata, so quick press you change color, double press you change mode, and it will remember it when you turn it off. Only on the Neo 2 the LEDs go from the back to the front because the module is at the back. If you press on this button on the bottom, you switch between only side lights, only bottom light, and both of them activated at the same time. And now let's fly this drone because I'm curious if it can still detect obstacles at the back, because I don't know, this back camera seems a little bit impeded by this plastic. I tried squeezing it as far as I can. Maybe the top sensor can work instead of the bottom. Okay, it's flying. I'm gonna try going against that tree and see if it avoids it. Okay. Go against that tree. Perfect. Still stops. The top camera seems to be doing the heavy lifting. And with 30% more weight on top, it still seems to be flying nice. It doesn't make a crazy noise. It sounds like the regular Neo 2. Maybe the battery life will be impacted, of course, because you are carrying 37 more grams on this drone. But it seems to be flying nicely. And that's all for today. As always, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know if you will put this on your drone. And if you want to buy something, check out the links in the description below, because clicking on them, you help my channel a lot, and many times you also find discount. Thank you so much and happy blinging. Bye!